So I decided to take ads off of my YouTube channel. Originally, I had no ads on my YouTube channel for several years. And then a couple of years ago, approximately, I was invited to join the YouTube Partner Program to monetize my channel, which basically serves up ads to people based on their interests. And you see it with so many YouTube channels that you go to. You'll have an ad pop up before the video rolls, or an ad pops up in the middle, or you have an ad that's shown right below the video, and it's very common. I started that, I think, about a year and a half ago, just as part of the way of defraying the cost of creating these free videos. I mean, I also teach classes as well, and that helps to defray some of the costs, but a lot of time goes into creating free YouTube content. And so many YouTube creators rely on their ad revenue to basically fund what they do. And so I didn't make a lot of money running ads. It was a very small amount, but it was, a significant enough amount that it could provide paintbrushes for me for, the month, or canvases, painting materials. And it was a nice little extra add-on to my paycheck, so to speak. So I did that for about a year and a half. I want to tell you why, though, I stopped using YouTube ads. Just recently, a couple of days ago, I shut all the ads off on my YouTube channel. So reason number one, and it actually started as I was walking my dog and checking a video I had just posted just to make sure everything had looked clear on it. And I just, pulled out my phone and just wanted to double check and make sure, the video had uploaded correctly, check the number of views, that kind of thing. And as I pulled up my video that I just posted, I was served this really bad ad. I mean, it was, let's just say it wasn't X-rated, but the material was borderline. It was just stuff I didn't want to see. As a Christian guy, I'm trying to, keep my eyes, my thoughts pure. And these images that were being shown on my channel, I don't even know what the ad was for, but it was like a pre-video ad that popped up that you have to wait a little bit before you can skip off of it. And I'm like, what is that doing on my video? Like, I didn't ask to see this. And so that really bothered me. And I thought, well, if I'm seeing this and I know I'm not searching for this kind of stuff, yet they served it up to me, are they serving this up to other people looking at, content on portrait painting and other kinds of content I put on this channel that's just strictly art related? If I'm seeing it, then probably other people are seeing it as well. And I just thought, I wonder, should Christians, I'm a Christian and I do everything I do in that filter of the way the Christian worldview of wanting to please Jesus with everything I do. I don't do it perfectly, but that's my goal every day. And so I did a YouTube search asking, should Christians monetize their channel? And the first video that popped up was this guy that actually said many Christians do monetize their YouTube channels. But he's like, I don't think they should. Here's why. And he gave several reasons why. I'm not going to go through those reasons, but let me just say the first reason was compelling enough for me. And it was the same thing I encountered, was that when you monetize a channel on YouTube, basically you cannot control what kind of ads are being served to your audience. And so they might be, opting in to see ads that might be related to your content, but it could be completely unrelated, as it was in the case of the ad that I was served on my own YouTube channel. Something I found very disgusting and just not what I wanted to see. And and so you can't control these kinds of experiences your audience has when you choose to monetize. So that's reason number one, is that you're actually being a purveyor of it, and people can rationalize it and say, well, YouTube is gonna, show this content anyway. And it's like, but no, I mean, you have the choice to flip that switch on or off to monetize your videos. And so I decided, wow, I don't want to be causing other people to stumble potentially by seeing things that, that just would draw them away from the Lord, or even if they're not Christians, just things that would be unrighteous, unholy, and not good. So I don't want to have that on my channel. And then reason number two is that you're making money off of it. Like, you're making money off of potentially leading people away from the Lord. Now, a lot of videos that pop up, a lot of ads are going to be, just neutral products. They might be for another person's class. They might be for, something you buy at the store to clean your car, whatever. It's just neutral kind of stuff. But then there is always the possibility of some things popping up that really you don't want to participate in and you don't agree with as a YouTube content creator. And you're getting paid to potentially lead people down this path that you would not want them to go. And I thought, well, that's not good. And then he had a third reason. I can't remember what it was. And I'm like, after the first two reasons, I'm like, I'm sold on it. But then the reason I came up with was, okay, I don't want to profit off of leading people down a path that I feel they should go. Not that I have control over their lives, but I don't want to be a partner with that. I don't want to be a conduit through which those things would enter into their life. And then the last thing is like, hey, ads are just a distraction, right? I mean, you come to this channel to see videos on portrait painting and maybe some artwork I'm working on and maybe some inspirational messages related to art. And an ad pops up and it disrupts your viewing experience. And, I instituted that, like I said, just basically for monetary reasons, because it was a way of defraying costs of creating videos and free content. But, in the grand scheme of things, even if my channel grew and grew and grew and I was making a lot of money off of ads, it wouldn't be worth it. It wouldn't be worth it, especially to lead people down a wrong path. But like disrupting the viewing experience, I could, there's just other ways of monetizing a channel. And for me, this most significant way is doing paid classes, subscription membership, which some people will look at my videos. They'll opt into my email list to sign up for more content that's helpful to them. And then a few of those people will end up purchasing my paid classes, and that helps to monetize this channel. There's other ways too. Some people do Patreon. That's a way that a lot of YouTube content creators defray the costs and fund what they're doing. They invite people to basically patronize to support their work. And I thought, well, maybe I'll create a Patreon channel at some point. I don't know. But for now, and I don't see this ever changing based on what I've discovered here and this clarity I got a few days ago. I took all ads off of my channel. I had to leave the YouTube Partner Program just to instantly switch off the ads. Now, you might have a couple of YouTube ads pop up. It's not under my control if they choose to do that, but as for me, I chose to take them off. So I think you'll notice that difference right away. When you watch this channel, there will not be ads popping up right away at the beginning or the middle of the video. Like I say, unless YouTube chooses to put them up, which I've heard they can do from time to time. But I hope you enjoy the refreshed viewing experience of no ads, no interruptions. And I'm enjoying just the fact of having a clean conscience in this regard, that I'm not allowing content to be placed to my channel that could lead people astray. And anyway, I hope that all makes sense. I just want to let you know this change that I've made, taking all ads off of my channel, and why. All right, well, God bless you. I look forward to sharing more good things with you about my art and to encourage you in painting and all of your art endeavors. And if you're somebody who just likes seeing artwork and how it's created, you're welcome here as well. And I hope you enjoy the content on my channel. All right, God bless, and we'll see you in another video real soon. Take care.